Hi, today I will show you how to export data to Excel and then group it and summarize it. Very simply, we'll just go to Dispatch and select a range of dates. Let's go to August 1st up to today's date in this case. And once we see the dispatch window, right-click the mouse on any record and then choose the first option, Export to Excel or CSV. Of course, we're going to export to Excel. In this case, select account number. Let's go down to TRIPTOTAL. Double click, of course, on each field so that it will show in the selected fields area. And then we'll click on Export to Excel. In this case, I want to total on account number and TRIPTOTAL. So let's go ahead and export. A message will be shown. The data is exported to LimoWiz Data XLS. Click OK. Excel will open up with the data. The first thing we want to do is sort the rows by going to the top right. First you highlight the data, then you go to sort. Sort A to Z. As you can see, the data has been sorted. The next step would be to go to the data menu. On the top, on the right hand side, click Group. From this window, just click OK, by row, Group by rows. And now we want to subtotal. So we get subtotal for each account and then a grand total. And this prompt, just click Yes and keep the defaults the way they are. And we want to show a summary below data. So click OK, and there you go. It's all done. As you can see, John Doe, here's the total. Quick res, here's the total. Test, here's the total. And grand total. On the left hand side, you could expand groups, as you can see. It's very simple. And this is it. Have a great day.